What's up, you guys? Welcome back to WIDEBODY Nation. Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram dealerships are offering their version of stimulus, and that is $50 or $75 gift cards to us just for test driving a cool car that they got on the lot. About an hour of your time, and that could be 75 bucks in your pocket, Amazon, Target, or a Visa gift. I mean, it's too easy, right? So I'm going to go ahead and show you from start to finish how to get your gift card because I went and did it myself today, just as a proof of concept, right? But a quick reminder, we are giving away these $250 Apple AirPods Pro as part of our 5,000 subscriber giveaway. So go ahead, turn that subscribe button from red to gray, and that automatically enters you to win those Apple AirPods Pro. We will give those away on a live stream. So how are we getting our $75 gift cards from Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, aka Stimulus? What you do is go online to your local Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram dealership. I have 4 examples for you guys here, so it's just not one, it's not a one-off in random part of Kentucky or Tennessee. No, I've got 4 examples. So I've got the dealership I went to today, which is in Clarksville, Tennessee. I've got Columbus, Georgia, which is where I'm moving to, and then I have in Michigan, which is a dealership we look at sometimes for deals, and then we have Atlanta, Georgia. And these guys here in Atlanta, they're penny pinchers, and they charge over sticker on a lot of their vehicles, so even they're doing it. Now, what are you looking for? When you go to their website, you're going to go ahead and click on New Vehicle Inventory. So go up wherever it is, click on New Vehicle Inventory, and then All New Inventory. What you're looking for is this blue tab, and it'll pop up here, but we'll go to this other one. So for instance, this dealership in Michigan is doing $50 gift cards. It'll pop this up for you right here. This dealership in Atlanta is doing the $75. It'll pop it up right here. And this dealership down in Columbus, Georgia, my dealership where Chris and Mitch will hook you guys up with the best deal if you're in the market for any Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram product, is right here. So here we go. It comes up with the prompt, $75 gift card. Now, you do have to test drive a specific set of vehicles because they're trying to drive sales on these vehicles, right? But you don't have to buy them. All you got to do is show up, say, I want to test drive that awesome truck over there. That $65,000 truck. I want to test drive that. And they got to say, okay, sounds good. All right, so you got to roll up with a driver's license, obviously. And before January 4th, 2021, from what I have seen, and you guys will see that here too. Ram 1500, Chrysler Pacifica, Jeep Compass, Jeep Renegade, Jeep Grand Cherokee, or Jeep Cherokee. I went personally today to Gary Matthews Motors and test drove this pretty much fully loaded Ram Rebel with the air suspension. I've never driven it with the air suspension before, so that was cool. It was kind of like Range Rover style where they have the toggle switch, and I was like, beep, boop, bop, boop. Anyway, we'll get to the beep, boop, bop, boop launch codes pretty soon. But anyway, it looks like they're doing employee pricing on these. Anyway, click on the blue tab, and you're going to go ahead and click which gift card you want. So they got Amazon, Target, or Visa. I went with Amazon personally. Then you're going to go new car. You can use 2020 or 2021. I did 2021. Make either Chrysler, Jeep, or Ram. They don't have any Dodge right now, but that's okay, right? You don't have to be in the market to buy tomorrow to get this gift card. All you got to do is go test drive. I know you guys, some people don't like dealerships. Just do it though. 75 bucks for 1 hour of your time. That's a pretty good hourly wage, if I do say so. I mean, I don't make 75 bucks an hour right now. I would like to. That's one of my goals, to make over 2740 in a day. 2,740 times 365 is $1 million a year. Check the math there. So I went and test drove the 1500. It's going to ask you for your phone number. Obviously, it's generating a lead for them. So go ahead, put your secondary email, maybe put a phone number that you don't care about. Hey, that's your decision. But you do need to put a good email in so you can actually go ahead and get the prompt, which when you email them, screenshot this, because this is your launch code right here for your gift card. Now, when you go to the dealership, after you test drive, you can slizzy slide them that gift card code, and they will have to go back in their office, type in that launch code, and then boom, you're given your gift card that you can go spend. For instance, for me, I got the gift card because I got to buy a HEPA filter because of obviously 2020 is crazy, but our 2 dogs, all that dander and pet stuff would be much better filtered and not just sitting around the house. Anyway, back to this. So to wrap this up, to get your $50 or $75 gift card, make sure you're looking for the blue tab on the website. It should be over on the right side for me, but it could be floating anywhere. So make sure you get your binoculars out for that. Find it, click it, make sure you select the appropriate vehicle to test drive. But again, it doesn't have to be the vehicle you want. just test drive it, and then you can window shop while you're there too. Or then be like, actually, I want a Dodge Charger Scat Pack wide body because that's the hottest, best value car on the market. Please and thank you. But once you do it, go ahead, go in, give them your code, and then they will give you your gift card. For me, it was electronic just because, it's 2020/2021. Most things are electronic these days, especially with everything that's happened in 2020. So appreciate you guys tuning in. Let me know which gift card you guys go with below. Also, if you guys are having trouble finding a dealership that is offering this promotion, also let me know in the comments below, and we and the Wide Body Nation can help you find a dealership to get you your Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram stimulus, since the U.S. government is out here, I can't pass a stimulus bill, blah, blah, blah. So, hey, this company is helping us out more than our government is, so I appreciate them for that. Make sure you guys subscribe for those Apple AirPods Pro giveaway at 5,000, and I will see you guys for the next video. Happy holidays. Stay safe out there. Thanks.